Apparently you can take popcorn kernels, deep fry them to make popcorn in the deep fryer. Let's give it a try. Okay, over here as you can see, I have some popcorn kernels. Now, usually you make these in a pan, but apparently a big pot of oil is all you need to make them. Oil is heated up almost at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is really, really hot oil. I'm honestly a little scared how this is gonna go. Okay, I'm just gonna take one. Ready, let's just pop it in there. Okay, ready, back up. Maybe I'll cover this. Okay, I'm a little concerned it's just gonna pop and then get hot oil everywhere. Wait, come close. You can. This will keep you safe. Don't worry. Look, look. See how we have, there's like these little bubbles going there? I mean, the usual way you make popcorn, let me just show you how that goes. The usual way that you do this is you're just gonna take a pot, just put a little bit of oil in it, come close, don't worry. And then you add in your popcorn, just like that to the pot, and then you cover it, and you're just gonna cook it right in here. I mean, that's just kind of the normal way, but deep frying it is definitely not normal. So I'm quite scared what's gonna happen. I think this over here will do it. I mean, I've made popcorn many times, but definitely not a deep fry. I feel like it's not safe. Okay, wait, can you just maybe zoom in? Can they see what's going on there? Do they see? Mm-hmm. Are you scared? Cameraman looks absolutely terrified. Okay, I mean, it's not popping yet. I don't really know what to expect. Let's see. Oh my God, of course when I wasn't filming, look at that. The popcorn popped. It happened. So now I'm gonna actually give this a try. Look at that, get close. That's just good old normal popcorn. Now, are you ready for this? I'm now just gonna pour and get close. Come on, you can stay close. It's not gonna happen immediately. No, come close, don't zoom in. Just come close, it won't happen immediately. Let's take our popcorn, great, right in there. Look at that, get close. Come on, we're deep frying popcorn. All right, now I'm actually scared. Let's check on this one, what's going on here? These aren't popping yet either. Let's keep on shaking this. I mean, we're doing popcorn over here, the traditional method, and then we have quite a bit of popcorn in here, the deep fry method. I'm like kind of shocked how well this is working. Look at that. Can you imagine making popcorn in a deep fryer? I feel like that is just asking for a disaster. Oh boy, it's popping. Okay, it's very interesting. I thought it would pop out of the oil, but it seems that it just kind of floats then to the top after popping. Look at that. We're making popcorn in the deep fryer. Cameron, you can get close. You don't have to worry. We are popping popcorn in the deep fryer. Oh my God. I did not know that this was even possible. This is one of the most exciting moments of my entire life. Let's just give this some agitation, mix this up. Look at that. I mean, look, it's quicker than doing it in a pan. I've been trying to do this in a pan and it's not even working. But here in the deep fryer, we are successfully making popcorn. Now, I don't want this to soak in that oil, so get nice and close. Look at this. Let's just take this out. Let that drip dry. I mean, popcorn is being made in the deep fryer. I really didn't think this was possible, but it's happening. I mean, believe your eyes. I believe my eyes. Do you believe your eyes? Comment down below. Deep fried popcorn. I mean, this is gonna be some oily popcorn. I mean, people add oil and butter to their popcorn, no need. All right, what's going on in here? Why is this not working? Okay, this is like not working. Whoa, okay. Let's just stick to our deep fried popcorn. I am so proud how well this is going. All right, time to give it a try. I mean, this is really the moment of truth here. How does the popcorn actually taste out of the deep fryer? Not gonna lie, that's perfectly good. It's definitely oiled, but it's not as soaked in oil as you would think. It's honestly very pleasant. I think if you replace the oil and just do a big pot of butter, it would be even better, but you know what? I love deep fried popcorn.